Hey friend, are you looking to earn your first sales online with affiliate marketing, specifically with JVZoo affiliate marketing? Well, hey, in this exciting episode today, episode 1, you are going to learn through this JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial how to find the best paying programs, all right? So if you're looking to do affiliate marketing with JVZoo, you're just beginning, you haven't made your first sales, this will help you. In fact, these series of episodes, I believe, will help you, all right? And so stick around because in this episode, you're gonna learn how to find the best paying programs, all right? So hey, my name is Chris from chrisandjigha.com. And if you're new to this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the skill sets to get results, make money, all right? Get results, drive breakthroughs, all right? So if you like content like that, reviews and tutorials like this, then definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, pretty much almost daily. All right, so let's get into it, my friend. This is JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial, and I like I said, I'm putting this together because I've made a few sales on JVZoo and some ClickBank and affiliate marketing, and I know a lot of people who have not made any, and so I know someone was asking me, hey, how did you do it? What's up? And I was like, you know what? Let me put together something that I think will be helpful. This is exactly what I'm doing. Mind you, I'm not making a whole ton of money with JVZoo or online right now, but I'm making some. As a matter of fact, if the question you're asking is can you make money on JVZoo? I believe you can because I've done it, all right? So for example, let me show you my affiliate dashboard right here. So as you can see, this is between the months of June of this year to August. This is about the time of this video, right? I've done about $143.50 in sales, all right? So not like a huge amount of money, but hey, like I said, you gotta know the fundamentals, and that's what it took me some time to learn, and that's what you're gonna learn in this episode and in the next coming episodes as well. And so yeah, like I said, made a couple $35 plus sales here, $48 here, and 23 something here, and some down here as well. And so this is all through JVZoo, as you can see. So you can in fact make money. Some people are making a lot of money, right? But like I said, majority of people aren't. So hopefully I can help you fix that, right? Get your first sale. Like I said, I can show you a bunch of stuff here that I'm learning, step-by-step, very specifics that I've done and the mistakes that I've made, but it's up to you to take action, all right? So hopefully this will be helpful for you to take action and start getting those results. Now, let's talk about JVZoo affiliate marketing in general, okay? So I'm sure you're familiar with JVZoo. It's like an affiliate marketing network. It houses products, things like that, all right? And then you've probably also heard of ClickBank. I just mentioned that just now. ClickBank is another affiliate marketing network too, as well. And so if you're like, well, what's the difference between the two? I actually did a whole video on this, right? ClickBank versus JVZoo. Which one's better? The advantages, disadvantages. I went pretty in depth on that. So I'll leave a link in the description below for you to check out that video, or maybe a card or a tag card somewhere will pop up here so you can check it out. But the one thing I do like about JVZoo is that it has a lot of features that help you as an affiliate and a vendor as well. So if you're trying to promote products and sell products, your own products, or if you're an affiliate, it's got a lot of tools and things that I like. So that's why we're using it. And so one thing about JVZoo in this particular niche, when we're talking about choosing a product, the first thing is understanding that JVZoo as a network, the way you do affiliate marketing in this case is like mostly product launching, right? So all that is basically an internet marketer. He's got a new product or software, a tool he's promoting. He's going to launch it. You've seen these online, and they launch through ClickBank or they launch through JVZoo, and then they'll have affiliates who are promoting their offer during these launch time. Now, the thing about the launch time is that period when the product first comes on the market is the hottest time. So that's how I made the sales that I showed you here, was mostly through those product launch periods, right? And so that's really a great time to take advantage of all the hype and all the excitement that's around the product launch, all right? So that's how this JVZoo affiliate marketing strategy works. Now, first thing up is setting up your JVZoo account. So you can just go to Google, pull up a Google page here, type in JVZoo, right? And then the first one up should be the one you're looking for. Click on that, and it's going to take you to the main page here for JVZoo, right? You can scroll down and take a look at all the nice little features that they have for the platform and whatnot and all that stuff. And then when you want to get signed up, you can come up here to say where it says free sign up. You click there, and it's going to bring up this page where you're going to get started, right? So all you'll do is put your name here, your email address, put a password, confirm, and declare I'm a citizen of whatever country that you're in. Click that check that you've looked at the agreements like anybody really does, right? And then click register. And then you're gonna have to verify your account to make sure that email address that you use is decent, and then select a way to get paid. So there's a lot of different ways, which is really cool, including PayPal as well. And then there's gonna be some recommended tools that you can decide if you wanna look at or not. All right, next up, once you've set up your JVZoo account, which is pretty simple, next thing you're gonna do in choosing your product is that I'm gonna show you some helpful tips to choose strong JVZoo products, all right? Strong ones. And like I said too, and then also there's gonna be a video that I'll leave in the link in the description below about the 5 things that every affiliate program must have if you want to earn maximum profits. This is something I learned from one of my mentors that is extremely powerful. I'll leave that in the description below. But as we're talking about JVZoo, let me show you some things that I think is helpful, kind of what I've been using to figure out. So one thing about JVZoo is that it does have quite a bit of features that can help you decide which products you want to look at. For example, you can look at, come down where it says affiliate, and you can say find products, right? So if you click on that, that will bring up a page where there's like a bunch of different products that are being promoted on JVZoo currently. So whenever that shows up, all right, here we go. And then, so then you can see like, okay, these are all the products that are being promoted right now. And you can see, I think right now they're being, it's being filtered based on sales. So you can filter it based on which ones had the most sales, which ones have had the most conversions, the earnings per click, the average price of the product, the amount of commissions you get, which is generally 50% anyway, and then the refund rate. So generally, I like to look at ones, if we're, I like to look at ones that have high sales, they've made a lot of sales, and the refund rate is low, which means it's a quality product, right? If it's high, like 10%, I think that's too high, then that must mean there's something with the product that's not quality, right? So that's something you can do and just kind of go through here. As you can see, many of these have been out. So if you want to look at the ones that are actually right now doing really, really well, have or potentially been recently launched, then you can go to this right here, products, and go to the top sellers. And it's pretty cool because then it lists all the top products in terms of rank. I don't know how they ranked it, but I would imagine sales has something to do with it based on today's sellers, yesterday, past 7 days, and the past 30 days. So I would probably come down here in the past 30 days and say, okay, which one's been doing really well? As you can see, Afterward Suite actually at the time of this video is doing really well, right? So you can click on the link on that and it'll take you straight to the sales page. So you can kind of review information on it and what's going on about the product and what it is, right? And then you can also go to affiliate details here, and by clicking on that, that'll take you to the information about Average Suite, the sales price, the commission, and all that type of stuff. And what's pretty cool about JVZoo as well is that you can actually look at the vendor. So Luke McGuire is the one that is the creator for this particular product. So you can check out his profile, right? So if you click on that, it'll give you more information on the seller, which is really cool. It'll tell you when they joined, how active they've been, their top, he's a top performer. So this is also good, right? Number of sales, plenty, right? Product rating, I guess 3 stars out of 5 is okay, I guess. I don't know. Affiliate, top 1%. So he's active promoting other people's products. He's got a Facebook page, so you can check him out. So that's a great way to make sure that you're dealing with people that are legit. He's got endorsements here from other people that have, in terms of communication, product quality, long-term support of products, which is a big deal, and knowledgeable. See, this is how you find really great products that are like boss products that you can feel good promoting, And as you can see, he also has other products as well that he is created. Now, this is one way. Now, one of my favorite ways, though, my absolute favorite way to find quality products, and that especially ones that haven't launched yet, is by going to a website called muncheye.com. So you should really make Muncheye your friend because it's a great site. So basically it'll tell you all the big launches, product launches in the internet marketing niche. So this is the internet marketing, make money online niche that are happening, right? So all the ones that are happening, these are big launches, these are just all the launches in general. So you can kind of scroll down to see which ones are available, and then you can see the ones that have just launched. So what I like to do is I'll go through it. So let's look at Luke McGuire's Average Suite since we're looking at that one. You can click on that. And some things, really good things to look for that's going to be helpful. And I actually did a whole video on this as well on like how to choose quality products to promote affiliate products. I think I did it under ClickBank, but the same thing applies. So you can check out that video. I'll leave a link in the description below for that as well. But basically what I like to do is I'll come to this page here and I'm looking for a JV page, right? So this is the JV page. So I want to take a look at that because on there, that's where you're going to get all the information, right? So quality products with quality creators, professionals will have very specific things that I'm looking for. Number one, a very specific, set aside JV page for affiliates, a nice video introducing himself and what the product is. You can get your JVZoo affiliate link here. He's talking to you about the audience and the results, and you can copy and implement. They give you information about the pre-launch, prizes, so that's another cool thing too. If you do product launching, you can compete for the prizes and stuff. If you can drive a lot of traffic, gives you information on the product, right, and what it does and its benefits to you and your audience, so you can decide whether or not it's of value to your audience. And then once again, all the prizes, gives you a lot of different other stuff here. There's the funnel information, and then it gives you the information on him and his affiliate manager, so that you can contact them, right? So you can get access to them, and then they give you this right here. And then there's tools, right? So you want the tools. That's what I'm looking for, right? So if I want to grab the tools, what I'm specifically looking for is a JV doc, man, right? I want a JV doc. So if you have a JV doc, you can click on that, open it, and the JV doc, for example, in this that they put together, it was pretty strong. Because here it's going to tell you about the product. It's going to tell you the launch schedule. It's going to tell you the contest link. It's going to give you affiliate links. It's going to give you one-time offers, the sales page links, the JV page, all the other tools that are involved, like the swipes. You're going to get email swipes. You should get banners. You should get Facebook ad images, a bonus page generator, right? That's really nice. And then review access, right, of the actual product, which is incredible. So you're looking for those type of things, right? Here's the email campaigns. Here are the other swipe copy, depending on what angle you're approaching your audience, right? And Facebook ad images is right here. So this is how you know this is a quality product, because it's giving you quality stuff to help you be successful as an affiliate. Because if they don't, then that means you're not going to be successful and they're not. But you'll be surprised that a lot of programs don't do that. So this is how you know you can be like, you know what, this looks pretty good based on his profile, based on his history, based on the type of resources he's giving you for as an affiliate. You can probably be pretty confident that that's going to be a pretty strong product to promote. And that's how I do it, all right? That's how I find proven products to promote on JVZoo, all right? And so that's pretty much it, my friend. Hope this was helpful, all right? Now you have an idea of how to choose powerful products that are going to be helpful, help you promote, and start making sales. But what's next, right? Well, now that you found a good product to promote, how do you get access? How do you get the review access, right? And how are you able to now be able to promote it? Is even if you are a beginner, because sometimes if you're a beginner, they may not give you access to it, especially if you're on JVZoo. So I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do that in episode 2. If you want to check that out, that's right here on this episode. I encourage you to check that out, because that's going to take you to the next step, so that you can actually have all the tools you need to be able to promote and make sales with your JVZoo product, and with affiliate marketing. All right, so hope this was helpful. If you found value, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel up here. Check out episode 2 right here, so you can get up on how to get access to these JVZoo products. And I'll see you on the next exciting episode, my friend. Be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.